Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So let's start. In our last video, we have seen how to create a billing schedule, what is the use of billing schedule, and how we can assign that billing schedule to transaction. In our today's video, we are going to learn about the price level, quantity pricing, and price group on the item transaction, how it works, and how we can assign that. So let's start. So price level, quantity pricing, and price group on the item record. In NetSuite, effective pricing management is achieved through the use of price level, quantity pricing, pricing groups. These tools allow business to implement flexible pricing strategy tailored to various customer segments and purchasing behavior. Price level enable the assignment to different prices for the same item, accommodating various customer categories such as retail, wholesale. NetSuite allows the creation of up to 1,000 distinct price level. Each price level can be defined with a specific markup or discount percentage related to the item-based price. Once established, these price levels can be assigned to customer, ensuring they receive the appropriate pricing on transaction. For example, a company sells a product with a base price of 100 rupees. They create two price level: wholesale with a 20% discount and retail with no discount. Wholesale customer are assigned to the wholesale price level, purchase the item at $80, whole retail customer pay of the $100. For example, wholesale, if the wholesale customer using a price level as a wholesale, then they will need to pay $80 because they will get a 20% of discount. But retail will not get any discounts. They need to pay $100 total. So, quantity pricing. Quantity pricing allows business to offer discounts based on the quantity of the item purchased, encouraging bulk orders. This is managed through quantity pricing schedule, which define the price breaks at a specific quantity threshold. These schedules can be applied to individual item or item groups. So it works on that based on quantity, defined quantity on that item record, means on that quantity pricing schedule. Quantity pricing schedule in the sense like are a template that automatically adjusts the item price based on that quantity purchased. So first we need to define that quantity based on that percentage in that quantity pricing schedule. Then we can assign that quantity pricing schedule on the item record. Then it will auto calculate that price uh, rate of that item. These schedules can be applied to multiple items, ensuring consistent discount structure across product. How we can create a quantity pricing schedule. First, we need to enable the feature. Then we get to set up company enable feature. Under the transaction subtab, in the sales section, let's check quantity pricing schedule, save it. So set quantity pricing preferences in accounting preferences. I'll go to set up accounting preferences and item transaction subtab. Look at the sales and transaction. First, we need to define that maximum of quantity based price level. So in the sense like how many columns we want to define for that quantity. For first five columns we want to define that quantity pricing schedule. So in the sense in the sense 25 quantity, 50 quantity, 75 quantity, 100 quantity, 125 quantity. So for each quantity, each column we have to give some certain quantity number. So that will be the quantity of that item. So up to there. So based on that quantity, we can define that discount price. So it will auto calculate based on that quantity. So create quantity pricing schedule, navigate to list accounting quantity pricing schedule. So enter unique name which can in the quantity, give the field the discount how many quantity, brackets and the corresponding discount percentage. If you want different discount percentage and the price per the price level, set quantity and default discount price for each price level. So to apply discount incrementally, no discount for first 100 items, 5% for next item. Check use marginal box, assigning a schedule to item. So design item record on the sales and pricing subtype, select appropriate quantity pricing schedule. So this structure define that tiers based on the quantity of that item purchased. For first item 1 to 24, so no discount is applied. So this is the example of a quantity pricing schedule. How we can use a define configure that quantity pricing schedule, and how we can assign that quantity pricing schedule to the customer. Assume base price is 100. So if the customer purchase 30, they need to pay 10% discount percentage. So we need to calculate the discount percentage. If the discount percentage is 10%, discount price will be 100 minus into $100 by into 10, 0.10. So it will be each quantity will be $90. So if we are going to purchase 30, then we need to pay based on that each quantity. So total amount will be 2,700. So now we have seen that how we can. So all three things we have seen. So one by one we'll see. First we need to see that where is the price level, price group. So here we can see this is the price group. From here we can create a price group, and here we can create a new. Then we can see a price level. This is a price level. How we can create. So in this accounting list, under the accounting list, we select the filter down price level. Then we can create a quantity pricing schedule. Here we can select the quantity pricing schedule. Once we'll create quantity pricing schedule. See, so here we can select up to 25 or 10% discount, 25 to 50 to 15%. Like this, we can define that pricing schedule, and once it's defined, then we can assign to that item record. So first go to list accounting items, then existing item, or we can create a new item. So based on that, we can differentiate and configure. So in the sales purchase sales pricing, there is a pricing subtab. Here we can select the quantity pricing schedule. Use marginal rate in the sense it will marginal rate in the sense check this box if you want to apply the quantity for each item line, and by line quantity it will apply the discount based on each line. Here we can select the price group. Here we can select billing terms. So now all we have assigned, so we can define that price level. So once we'll uh, define that quantity pricing schedule. So once we need to assign the base price, it will auto calculate based on each quantity percentage will auto calculate, because we are using a billing schedule, pricing billing schedule. Then we can save it, and then we can use a transaction. So this is the way we can create a billing schedule, pricing group, and quantity pricing schedule. So we have seen quantity pricing schedule, price level, and price group on the item record, how we can assign. So for today, that's it. In our next video, we'll see how to set up pricing on the customer record and how to use on sales transaction. In our next video, we'll see this setup based on customer record, how we can use the pricing level, pricing group on the customer record, and how it will works. So I hope this video was helpful. Please. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon button for the latest uh, update on the video. And please add your comment on the comment section, and like it. Don't forget to like. I Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye bye. Happy learning.